Good morning, class 4. Right, yesterday we looked at 2D shapes. Today we're going to have a look at 3D shapes. These are solid shapes. I'm going to look at the sphere, a cylinder, a cube, a cuboid, and a cone. Okay, we're going to look at each one of these in more details on the next slide. So the first shape we are going to look at is a sphere. Now lots of children say that this is just a ball when I show it them in class. And it is just like a ball, but we call it a sphere. Now a sphere has got one round face, it has got no vertices. Vertices are pointy corners, so it's got no vertices and it has got no edges, just one round face. Now if we look at this in the environment, we might have a look and say it's a ball. Or you might have a look and see if you've got any marbles, little balls. Or you might have a look and you might have an orange or something in your house. So have a look around the environment and see if you can find any spheres. Off you go.
How did you all do at finding the sphere today? Okay, so I found 3 in my house. Okay, I probably got lots more, but I just found 3 in that time. So the first one I found was just a little ball, a ping pong ball, and let's have a look and see what I mean when I say face. So I've got one round face. Okay, it's got no pointy vertices, no pointy corners, and it's got no edges. It's just fully round, okay? The next one is a pom-pom. Again, it is round, okay? It's got one face, no vertices, and no edges. The last one I found was an orange, okay? Again, it is round. It has got no vertices and no edges. Okay, let's have a look at the next shape.
My next 3D shape that we are going to look at is the cone. Now a cone has got 2 faces, one edge and one vertice, one pointy corner. Okay, when we look at this shape in the environment, we might find a traffic cone, a church tower, a shampoo bottle, or even an ice cream cone. Have a look and see if you can find a cone around the environment. Good luck!
Did you all find any cones? Okay, so I found one cone and it was actually a traffic cone from my little boy's car set. Okay, so when we look at this shape, it has got one, 2 faces, it has got one edge and one vertices, one pointy corner. Okay, if you were to look around the environment, you might find an ice cream cone in your freezer, or you might find a shampoo bottle in your bathroom that is the same shape as a cone. Okay, let's have a look at our next shape.
Our next shape is the cube. Now the cube has got 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, when we look at it around the environment, we might find a cube of sugar, a dice, a brick. Have a look around the environment and see if you can find any cubes.
So I found 2 cubes around the environment. I found a wooden block, okay, and I found another block which is like a rubber block, what we used to build it with. Okay, so we're going to have a go at counting the faces together. Now it's really important when you're counting a 3D shape that you keep it flat so you don't end up counting the faces more than once. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the palm of my hand, but it might be best when you're counting to put it on a flat surface like a table or on the floor. Okay, so you're watching me first, ready to count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget that one at the bottom. Okay, let's count the vertices. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices or 8 corners. We might call them corners, but the proper word is vertices. Okay, are you ready? The next one we are going to count is the edges. Okay, are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Right, let's see what shape is going to be next.
The next shape we're going to look at is the cuboid. Now this shape is very similar to the cube, but it's made up of rectangles and squares. Okay, so when we look at the cuboid, it has got 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now when we look at this in the environment, we might find a cereal box, we might find another block, we might find a TV unit that is the shape of a cuboid. So have a look around the environment and see what you can find.
Hi, how did you all do? Did you all do okay at finding a cuboid? Okay, so I found a cuboid and this is my cuboid. It is a cereal box. Okay, so let's have a go at counting the faces together. Again, if you were counting at home, put it on a flat surface so you don't miscount. I'm just holding mine up so you can see and you can join in with counting, okay? Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Okay, let's count the vertices. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices or 8 corners. Okay, let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Okay, let's see if you can do that at home.
So the last shape we're going to look at is the cylinder. Now the cylinder has got 3 faces, 2 edges, but no vertices. Okay, have a look around the environment and see if you can find any cylinders. Okay, good luck.
How did you all do? Did you manage to find some cylinders? So in my house, I found 2 cylinders. I found a block that is a cylinder shape. And I also found a tin. Okay, so let's have a go at talking about their properties. Okay, so we're going to count the faces first. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3. 3 faces. Let's count the edges. Are you ready? 1, 2. 2 edges. And it has no pointy vertices. Okay.
You can find any more 3D shapes around the environment. Good luck!